these Roselle sun dry on the branches because that is when the seeds will be viable. If you take these case off of here before they're dried, the seeds will not be viable. So I want some seeds next year and I don't want to buy them. So look, we're going to have some free seeds because we're going to take these and let them dry naturally in the sun and on the branch. Now remember this little pile of seeds that just spurted up everywhere. We have some tomatoes growing out here. This is the it's something out here. Not sure what, but they're doing something. Now I have all these little seeds coming up. I'm not sure what those are. We'll find out when they get bigger. Love this guessing game of what was planted and where. You guys have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay hydrated. Another tomato. Josh, I will have tomatoes forever. I appreciate Cody